My name is Josie Hone and I'm the Executive Director of Project 66. So we are a client choice food pantry, which means our clients are able to come into our building and shop in our grocery room for the food items that they would like to eat and bring home to their families, as opposed to a pre-selected box of food. And we are also a resource center, which means we do resource referrals. We know that it is likely if a client is coming in with a need for food assistance, they probably have other needs as well. And so we have trained volunteers to get them connected to other local resources, such as utility assistance, rental assistance, things like that. And we also just launched our educational classes. So with those range from a plethora of things, from cooking demonstrations, healthy eating classes, and budgeting classes. Something that we've all been affected by, and Project 66 has been greatly affected by, are the food shortages in this nation. A lot of our staple food items that we get, like milk, bread, eggs, meat items, we've not been able to get from our primary food sources, and so we've actually had to outsource those. So this money will go towards helping purchase those staple food items. So on top of the food shortages, we have also had to change our procedures. So clients have actually been served curbside since March of 2020. We have had them just come in and fill out paperwork, go wait in their car, and then we've actually delivered the food out to their car, which takes away a little bit of that one-on-one element that we really like to give each client, that intentional experience. So that's been the biggest way that we've been impacted by COVID. We're always looking for volunteers. We have 5 services a week, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday from 10 to noon, and Monday, Thursday from 6 to 7:30. There's a lot of ways that people can get involved depending on what you're good at, what you enjoy doing, whether it be stocking food or shopping with clients.